All right, we'll open this guy up and we'll go ahead and we will put some of our larger pens on this side. And then on our other side, we'll put some of our smaller pens and some of our tools. Inside of our zipper front pouch right here, we'll go ahead and put some of our candy, snacks, maybe some batteries. Zip that guy closed nice and secure. And on the inside, it may not look like much, but you can expand this pouch and make it about twice as deep. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up all the way. And now we can fit some of our other little things, like a mini tripod, a charger, maybe our chapstick, some cleaner, some glue, some more accessories for our phone. And we'll go ahead and we'll close this guy all up. Now that our smaller little pieces are out of the way, we can simply take our larger items, stick them where they might be able to belong. Take our nice, compact, organized pencil pouch, put that in our camera bag, and we're ready to go.